Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 20 by 8 tiny home. It is our X model, and the square footage of this home is 160 square feet. This is a perfect first time tiny home. Maybe you want to put this up in the woods, in the mountains, or maybe you just don't need anything too fancy or nothing too big, and you just want enough space to use the bathroom, sleep, and cook a couple things here and there. So this is like our again, our X model, 20 by 8. Let's take a look at the inside. Now, since this is kind of a more simple model, it does not come with the full-size kitchen. It does come with a kitchenette, but you still have all the essentials though, right? So you have the 2-burner cooktop, you got the range hood, you still have a sink, and instead of a 10.1 cubic refrigerator, you do get the smaller refrigerator. And we have it taped up right now because we are getting ready to deliver this home, but I wanted to show you guys so you guys can see what it looks like from the inside. And again, you do have this couch here as your living area. We do include a 55-inch TV, so that would go here on this wall. And this space, you could put a queen size bed here, right? So if you've seen some of our other videos, you could put a queen size bed here. You have your living area, your kitchenette, the bathroom. It does come with this closet as well that works as a mirror. And then it does open up, so let me open it up quickly for you guys. I don't think it'll hurt to show you guys. So I forgot this one. Alright, let's go open it. Oh, it has the other one up there. Well, you know what? Let me take it off and then I'll put a new one. So you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so that's the closet it comes with. Keep in mind, you can put shelving down here and be more organized. This could be for dressing shirts, jackets, or stuff that you just want to hang. But you can even lift this up to be higher and put like shelving, right? So you can be more organized. So that's one idea, right? So there could be many more. But you have a beautiful unit, in my opinion. It's small, but it's more than enough just for what you need. Perfect rental, perfect Airbnb as well. Let me show you the bathroom. It is a standard 3-foot bathroom, but you have the standard flushable toilet. You have the cedar all on the inside of the bathroom as well. Sink, medicine cabinet, and then your 36 by 36 shower. Right. And that's pretty much it on the inside. It does come with a mini split system. It does heating and cooling, so that's included as well. Show you guys another look at it. And if you don't want the cedar, we can change it and add the drywall with your choice of color, of course. You have 3 drawers here. Get a different angle. You got the sliding glass door here for the kitchen. Alright, so go that way. You got the Pacifica tiny homes truck, a PTH truck. That truck's been running for a long time already. Let's take another quick look on the outside before we end this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and we'll get back to you. This is the insignia that all of our homes come with, certifying them as basically RV. That's our phone number too if you want to give us a call, get a free estimate, have any questions. This is the other side of the tiny house. And then for the hookups, as usual, the electrical connection. And then this one has the water in the back. Oh, you know what? Isn't it? You know what? This one doesn't have it in the back. I'm sorry, guys. It's hot, so I kind of lost my train of thought. If anybody's been here to Corcoran or Fresno or the Central Valley, you guys know it gets really hot. So the water connections are here. Tankless water heater. You just connect the propane tank there. You do have an outlet there too. And then the 3-inch sewer pipe is underneath here. So there it is. That one right there. Again, let us know if you have any questions, comments. Visit our website too, pacificatinyhomes.com. Give us a phone call, 650-484-8587, and we'll be more than happy to help you. We try to get everything in one video, but sometimes, you know, we might not get everything. So again, comment down below and we'll get your questions answered. See you guys in the next video.